This is just a very quick demonstration of the instant online quote system. Um, there is a upload button at the top there, which will load your STL file or your object file. If you watch the bottom there where that little red ring was, you'll see the price change as different materials or processes are included in the request. This will give you a visual, an instant visual of the cost of your item if you have an STL or a object file, that is. In the gray area there, or the grayed out area there, you will see the STL file loaded. You have the selection of composite materials that's going through there, quite a large range of plastics and resins that goes through there. And then post processes can be added to those as we've been demonstrating here. So as we add a post process, the price will change. So they've got the various different, I think it's got glass pen at the moment, £35 for that item. You add a post process like spray chrome. Spray chrome is gonna push the price up quite a lot because it is quite expensive, a lot less expensive than traditional electroplating, I will add. The advantages and disadvantages of spray chrome. The advantage of spray chrome. Spray chrome is simpler to apply and can be done in a person's own workshop. Parts to be spray chromed need not be sent away for plating, saving them time and money. Spray on chrome process is very versatile and is not limited by the size of the parts to be chromed. It can be used on board a variety of different materials, including glass, plastic, metal, wood. It is much less expensive and gives the same high quality, durable finish and gleam people obtain through electroplating. The features of spray chrome. It's durability as good as chrome plating, bonds to the substrate just as well, highly weather, scuff and salt resistant, highly reflective, a greener choice than traditional chrome plating, cheaper cost, no limit to size of parts to be spray chromed, can be used on site, fewer steps in the process, thicker coatings, reduced turnaround time, fewer health and safety concerns. A potential disadvantage of spray chroming an object is that the applicator may rely on his or her line of sight when spraying into the surface. This may mean that people may need to take some time learning how to get the coverage that they want.